The Challenger Cube. A simple 3D ball maze, but it's not as simple as you might think to solve. The Challenger Cube should print on most 3D printers. It does depend on good bridging, and the square hole should be printed at the top of the model. We printed this on a Prusa printer with default settings. So the idea is to put the ball in a position 1, then get it to position 2, and then to position 3, and back out at the start. The gaps in the side of the cube actually let you see the ball inside as you move it around. But they're also very good at checking for any issues with bridging or any artifacts blocking the ball's route. I'd recommend checking these very carefully before trying out the model. The Challenger Cube is designed for an 11mm or 7/16 of an inch ball bearing. Remember to try rotating the cube in all directions. Even though I designed the cube, it takes me well over 5 minutes to try and solve it. If you have any trouble printing the cube, or if your printer is not very good at bridging, we also provide a separate model. This version requires no bridging, as each layer is printed separately and then glued together. And no, it does not help solve the cube, even though you can see the maze inside. Before gluing the sections together, it's best to file down the top edges to make sure there's a flat surface for gluing. For best results, use a nail file or a piece of sandpaper wrapped around a lolly stick. Each of the sections has a number on it. Number 1 is the bottom piece, and it's just a case of gluing each of the sections together. It's vital to put the sections together in the right order, otherwise the puzzle won't work. Internally, both cubes are exactly the same. Whichever one you print, I hope you have fun trying to solve it.